guess I hit it with my arm all the time.
Yeah, like that. Like that.
Transfer brake test from, what's that mean? I don't know what it means. Frank just went into the crew room there. Oh, 2546 maybe?
That's what I'm wondering if he got his numbers mixed up.
He took 5 and subtracted 2 from it. 2546. Where's Ned? We need Ned.
2546, so we get clear of bridge 8. We're going to stop. We'll let you disconnect and then follow the train back in, okay? Alright, sir. We'll get back on bridge 8. Follow the train back in. We thank you.
I don't want to do this. Did you say Frank's down there on the ground someplace?
He was going in the crew room.
Well, we can't leave without him, so let me go. Transfer brake test from 386.
Since we have not disconnected the train from the brake test we did on 386 in Boston, I'm saying we're just going to transfer the information from that one to this one because the train is still complete. This is a new set of orders.
On 386 last order. Okay.
Conductor 2546, if you're ready, let's do it, please.
Well, it was very clear, but now we understand. Okay. You know, I was building up the fire. I thought we was going to be pushing back.
For the sake of expediency, I asked them to leave the engine back there because we only have 45 minutes of sunlight left. The time is not in our favor at the moment. Actually, if you just look way down the hole and then no pond to the inside. M1 temper. Next year we're hoping to start building our pit for this. Yeah, there you go. Where did that come from? Downtown Louisville, New York Central. Oh, okay. Wow. What happened to the P&L one at Oak Street? We don't know, but I think they donated it sometime. Barely. My lord. Grease her up to something.
Oh, Eric, come get this shot. What's the pop off go off at? 200?
Right now about 188, 98. Yeah, it's right about 198, 99. Well, it's all good, man. What you see? Nice to let me know.
Okay, it's wherever you see an open spot there, right there in town. Is there any spots with no trees on that side? I thought there was. In Gethsemane? Yeah. Where that's open? Yeah. That's all I'm looking for. If not, we'll just go on up there. We still got that 5 mile an hour to
This
get.
thing looks good to me, gentlemen.
I might get a nice picture of that and go sit down for a moment.
Hey, well, I'll burn y'all coffee down.
Come on.
I can do that. I can do it on my computer at home.
The other bridge, I'd like to have the bridge too.
Oh, up there at yelling in on the side.
We have one with that one. We can't go out and see trash.
I have the neatest shot at right out there just north of New Haven of that one bridge, but it's rolling Fork River, completely flooded. It's got about that much room. The water under it, and it's water reflection.
Well, we got some nice pictures of it many years ago when we were out over the main line. We got to get on top of that L&N bridge, but it really looks good sitting there with L&N underneath.
Yeah. That was a nice
And I imagine, a little effort, we might be able to convince the next one to go out there. We can go out there with diesel. Hey, I guess we could push the hoses out there and do a station. We can just go out there and try to push it up there. I know you got to make one big do go out there and push something out there.
We so good at the Dodge Star out there. That's the first time I've been across the bridge.
Oh, yeah?
Did it flash?
10-4.
This open spot coming up now? This spot here?
I can't see anything, but if it's open on the
This spot.
You're from the grade crossing right now.
You got a spot?
No, keep going. Just up into this curve. Just right up, maybe about 4 car lengths.
Next to those junk cars.
Just as long as this patch over here on the left.
You got a view right through here.
Yeah, see, this is wide open. I can get the whole train. Anywhere in here would be good.
Sound like a BN engine. Yeah, just like a damn BN unit.
Now we got some blockage up there.
Yeah, we'll see if we can.
Yeah, why don't you earn your
I can do
pay?
that. I can do that.
Got to take a picture of it though.
Has it got enough on it? Got enough film left?
Oh, there's not. It's too dark in here.
Slackhead. Why don't you get a flash?
Here to take a picture.
Why don't you get a flash?
I'm feeling
Well,
all
open the
over
damn
the
door.
deck.
You gotta open the door before it. You're fired.
I am a lousy
Turn
farmer.
around the other way.
You got to go the other way.
I got something stuck in there.
Oh, God.
This was made for a right hand.
We're gonna do
Yes, I'm a lefty.
Yeah.
sucker.
I'll do small scoops. All right. You are getting this, aren't you?
He is. You gonna
Get a picture of me
yeah.
doing this, all right? Get a digit.
All right. Man, do one more.
We can't shovel that much coal into it.
You can. You ain't got to do it again. Yeah. There you go. I got you.
Wait, with these two, that is, you're going to have open. Left-handed stoker.
25, 47, my fault.
That's right.
27.
He's right-handed. He could have. The left-handed stoker.
You're going to make a stop at Howardstown Road, friend. We'll be right behind you there.
Pardon? Can you have him stick out on a cat on 3/4 of the road?
Yeah.
Can I get in the picture?
152, probably 25, 46 over.
Yeah, right.
Would you mind hanging back, say, a quarter mile or more so you won't be in the photograph? Over.
That's not a problem. We'll be happy to do that, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Hey, field cross the field right now.
That's what we're doing.
That's what we want.
Them guys up there taking pictures.
Are they really?
Oh, somebody
We've already drifted, sir.
laser in them.
We're going to back up.
Want to stop here? The tree. Go on into the crossing. We can get all of it. We might be able to do two. I don't know if we got time.